Alright guys, here's a Wednesday update. Put the fuel pump in Saturday, and I've been working on it pretty much every night since. Just little issues here or there. There's some kind of electrical gremlin that I gotta track down, but that's not a showstopper. I did find a about 2 to 3 inch crack in the radiator, which I'll show you in just a second. And yesterday started to have a misfire on cylinder 4. So let me show you real quick what I found and what I fixed so far. So the crack in the radiator was right there below the the upper radiator hose. And I will tell you, for a radiator, metal, plastic, whatever, don't use JB Weld. I did it, and then I did some research on it, and everybody said, oh, it doesn't work. And I watched stuff, and it doesn't work. It slowed it down, but it just broke down the JB Weld and came right through it. So I took some sandpaper to it, because the crack is in the plastic part. I took some sandpaper to it and put some fiberglass over it. It's not the prettiest, but it'll work. For now, we'll see how it holds up. I don't know. What do you guys think? Had P0. I forgot what code it was now. Let's see. P0304. It's confirmed the pending's gone. And check engine light is off. So it went off idling. I haven't driven it yet, but I had to pulled out the number 4 plug, and this is what I found. That's what it looked like. So I think it's just pretty much shot. So I'll show you this up close, but basically here's each cylinder, and I also tested the resistance on the wires since it was just easy to pop them off and test them. But I'll show a pan of this as I'm talking. Looks to me like 2 was kind of bad, 4 was causing the misfire, 7 and 8 don't look bad at all. 5 had some gunk on it. 3 looked okay, and 6 looked okay. And I don't know if I said the first one. The first one had a little bit on it, but it wasn't really too bad. I did notice that number 5 had a little chunk taken out of it. If I can get it in the light. A little chunk taken out of that one. So that's pretty much it, you know. Just a update what I've been doing this week. And those headlights are bright. I'll have to pull it out sometime and see what kind of bulbs they are. But other than those issues, really haven't found anything crazy yet. Nothing that we can't handle, you know. So, alright guys, just a quick update. And we'll see you next time on Chaos Garage.